I'm frequently asked what the various steps are in the divorce process. Divorces are just like any other lawsuit. They begin with the filing of a petition for dissolution of marriage. The petition and several other required legal documents are then served by a process server on your spouse. Once those papers are served, your spouse, the respondent, has 20 days to file an answer and their own counterpetition if they wish to do so. After the entry of the initial pleadings is complete, the next phase of the case is the discovery phase. The parties are required to both file financial affidavits and are also required to produce certain basic financial documents to the other party, a process called mandatory disclosure. Additionally, there are multiple other options available for discovery, and when we're dealing with more complicated cases, the discovery process can be custom made to include all the individual information that we may need for that particular case. After the initial discovery phase is complete, the courts require all cases to be referred to mediation. Mediation is a process where a neutral third party, a licensed mediator in family law, works with the parties and their attorneys in an attempt to negotiate a settlement to any disputes that there are between the parties. If successful, mediation can save the parties a great deal of time and money in bringing their case to a successful conclusion. As a Florida Supreme Court certified family law mediator, I am well versed in the mediation process, and we pride ourselves on the fact that at the law firm for family law, we do a quality job of preparing our clients for mediation. If you would like to know more about mediation, please take a look at our separate video on mediation. Once mediation is complete, if there's still not a settlement, then we continue the discovery process and the process of preparing for trial. One very common task included in this phase of the process of the case is a deposition. Deposition is a discovery tool where an attorney can place a party or other potential witness under oath outside a courtroom and then ask them a number of questions with regards to their knowledge of the facts and circumstances of the case. We've also prepared a separate video on the subject of depositions that you can refer to in the video library if you want more information on that subject. While the second phase of the discovery process is ongoing, settlement negotiations also frequently continue with the hope that a case can still be settled prior to trial. However, if no settlement can be reached, then the case is prepared for trial and presented to a judge for a ruling on the issues pending before the court. These are the basic components of the divorce process. While they sound simple, any individual case can have a multitude of possible complications at each phase of the process. At the Law Firm for Family Law, we work with our clients to simplify the process as much as we can so the divorce case progresses smoothly towards trial. Call us today to schedule a consultation in your case. And remember, because we don't accept every case, we do not charge you to see if we will accept yours.